Hey guys, it's Rebecca from Mama Bear Custom Rees, and welcome to my channel where we do rees and home decor, and I show you how I do it all. Today I wanted to make a really cute bougie gold vase. Now I've seen these vases everywhere in all the designer floral shops, but they're super expensive. So I came up with a way that we can have a very nice, very elegant, bougie gold vase without breaking the bank. So let's get started. Any vase, I found this one, inexpensive. You can get these anywhere, really. So get a glass vase. I'm using some metallic gold spray paint. Make sure that it can paint on glass. So read it in the instructions here. I need reading glasses, but I did read it when I had them on that said, it paints on glass. So make sure it paints on glass, and your glue gun, high temp glue sticks, and that's all you're gonna need. All right guys, so if we take our vase and get our hot glue gun, I'm gonna show you guys this way. Just start doing lines like this, all the way across. With my glue gun, we're shooting glue, and just do it all the way across, the same size. To the bottom, just zigzag it. You see that? That's one side. Make sure not to burn your fingers when you're holding it, and we're going to continue to do the same stripes on this side. Kind of overlapping the other ones. Kind of let that dry just a wee bit so it doesn't drip down. Show you what we have so far. It's kind of messy, you know, just kindergartner scribbles, but I promise it's gonna look really cute. This is about the distance that they have on each side, so they kind of overlap a little bit here. And it doesn't take too long to cool. We want it to stop dripping. Okay, it stopped dripping. And we can do another one here. I can actually hold it now without burning myself this way. Just zigzag. And again, hold it, let it dry. Really easy. Almost done. I'm just waiting it to cool so I don't burn my fingers. I don't think I have fingerprints left anymore. I told my husband, watch out if I ever want to get rid of you. He doesn't think it's funny. So it's cooling, and we want to make sure to hold it at an angle so it doesn't drip down. And it's almost done. And now we'll do this last part. And I like them to overlap the other sides, so I think that looks good. Oops. see any spots that are kind of be mess, you can try to fill it in, but this by itself actually looks really cool. So you could just leave it like this. Yeah, that actually looks kind of cool. But I promise you a gold one, so we're gonna do a gold one. So we're gonna let this dry. It's still kind of warm. I'm going to come back once it's cooled down completely, and then I will show you how we will make it gold. Okay, so our vase is dry and cool. So now we get to spray paint it. I'm gonna put on gloves and roll my sleeves up. I probably should have put a short sleeve shirt on, but we'll try not to get too messy. All right, so I did put a bunch, I put some plastic over the table that I'm working on. Although this table has paint all over it already, so. But for you, you probably don't want to put paint on your table or furniture, so you can go outside and do this in a well-ventilated area. But anyway, we just start spray painting. So the can says 15 minutes to dry, 2 hours to handle. I'm gonna give it a little bit longer than that. We're just gonna let it dry completely before we do anything with it. In the meantime, while I'm waiting for this to dry, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you have not for Mama Bear Custom Wreaths, so you guys can catch wreaths, home decor, fake bakes, floral designs, all kinds of DIYs that I'll be posting on my channel as they come up. All right. I'll see you in just a bit. All right, so I've let it dry, and it's winter time right now, and I am in my garage. So it's like 30 degrees in here. It's not drying as fast as I would like it to. So instead of watching ice melt, I'm gonna get my blow dryer, just my hair blow dryer, and help it warm up. Help it dry out quicker. So this is our gold vase, and I think it looks so cool. I've seen vases like this at designer floral shops go for hundreds with the florals in it. So we made our own for probably under 10 bucks. You can use it as a flower vase. You could put it upside down, put a candle on top. Let me actually get some florals in here and show you what it looks like with the florals. All right, right back. All right, so I did put some white flowers, and it is close to Valentine's Day as I'm filming this. So I put this little gold heart and some little gold berries to kind of match the gold here. So I thought that was really cute. It looks like a more expensive art piece or floral decor, and it's not. We got it done probably under 10 bucks. So I think this is a steal of a deal. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe so you guys can catch my next tutorial. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.